This is my final video in the series. I really hope that you've enjoyed what you've learned so far. I also want to thank everyone who emailed me with questions and comments. Nothing makes me happier than knowing that I've made a difference in someone's life. My early bird waiting list has grown beyond anything I ever imagined. Of course, I hoped there'd be interest, but not like this. This has been overwhelming. I have many more people on the list than I can possibly handle in the first round. So clearly I'm going to have to create a second group that I'll work with after I finish with the first group in the weeks coming after registration closes. Also, I've not been able to keep up with all the questions that all of you have emailed in, so I decided to shoot this video and answer them all at once. In the previous videos, I showed you how the Bulletproof bookkeeping process will not only dramatically increase your skills, but your confidence will be unshakable because you'll have a system for setting up bulletproof books that works with any company in any industry. This is not just the best way, it is the only way people should be doing bookkeeping because it ensures the highest level of accuracy and completeness, remember those words, among other things. Now that you know about this process, you have a responsibility to your clients, present and future, to handle things accordingly. Most importantly, I showed you that this is not rocket science. It's about applying some basic processes and procedures in doing the work, as well as verification and review. My own experience has proven that when you work at this level, your client CPAs will send you referrals because you'll be a rare gem in a quarry of frustration. Also, I didn't say this before, but basic law of supply and demand means that when you're getting all these referrals, there's increased demand for your services and there's limited supply, which means your price goes up. In short, you can charge more than most because you deliver a service that's of superior quality than most. In fact, you'll find that when a prospect comes in your door who doesn't want that level of attention to detail because they just need to get a return done, you'll probably want to send them on their way because they'll never appreciate the value of what you can offer. And you won't need them because you'll have plenty. There's nothing that should be holding you back from doing this at this point. Okay, enough of that. Let's get some questions answered. First, is this thing for beginners or experienced people? Bulletproof bookkeeping with QuickBooks Online was designed with beginners in mind. But I went so in depth with some of the content that it turns out that even some experienced people are saying that they're getting a lot out of it. Lisa said it best in the last video. Even if you know this stuff really well, you're always going to pick up those golden nuggets. These are the things that I explain in passing that you're going to want to pause the video, review and replay to see what I showed you. And even though it may not be the primary thing I was teaching, it changes how you do things. And I do this a lot in my videos. Next question. Will this course teach me accounting for blank industry? Fill in the blank with any industry. The answer is no. Not specifically. I have done and plan to do videos or more courses on specific industries. What I've done here to fill in those gaps is I've included the Bulletproof Bookkeeping community in the course. This is an online forum where you can go in 24/7 and ask all the questions you want. I've answered questions on accounting for e-commerce, for retail, real estate, complex lending situations, all kinds of questions. In fact, there's a good chance that your questions have already been asked and answered. And I've got everything organized by topic, so it's very easy to get in there and reference things later when you're looking for them. Finally, of course, people are asking about the price. The course has already been selling online for about a year. And by the time you're watching this video, the retail price will be set at $2,000 with lifetime access. And the plan is to increase that to $2,500 by June of 2020. But with this bonus offer that I'm about to send an email about, I'm going to offer a deep discount on the price. I haven't worked out the exact amount yet, but it won't be very expensive. And I'm also going to offer the option of a payment plan to make it easy on your cash flow. Now I'm going to give you specific instructions for how you can increase your chances of getting into Group 1. Remember, I need to keep this small to be fair to those who've signed up, so I am going to limit this. So let's do this to increase your chances of getting into the first group. First, if you're already on the Early Bird Waitlist, then you've got first dibs. You're going to get the first email announcing when registration has gone live. I created this list specifically so that you could secure your spot before it goes out to the public. If you didn't opt into the Early Bird Waitlist, here's how you can increase your chances of getting in. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. As soon as you see an ad or an announcement that the Bulletproof Bookkeeping bonus offer has gone live, make sure you click on the link, which will take you right onto a page where you can sign up right away and secure your spot. There will probably be a big rush to the page because so many people are interested in this. But if you follow the instructions, you can increase your chances of getting in. I can't express to you how excited I am to be able to do this for you. When I first started developing the Bulletproof Bookkeeping course, I honestly didn't know what to expect. Of course, I thought there was tremendous value in it, but I wasn't sure if others were going to feel the same way. Not for sure. Now, with many people already signed up for the course and many more people clearly interested in this offer, I can't wait to dig in and start helping people. When the first one of you reaches out to me to tell me that you're now making a good living and getting and keeping quality clients because of what I've shown you, that's going to be the best reward I ever get to experience in my career. And I know this because I've already had it happen many times. In fact, just a few days ago, I got an email from somebody who attended one of my Excel classes at Santa Monica College. And he was emailing to let me know that his supervisor has already seen a dramatic increase in his Excel skills. That's worth more to me than any amount of money that I ever get paid. Make sure you stick around for another few seconds until the end. I'll see you in class.